Do you know your PC has a hidden power menu? Just a small box called Run can open drives, fix issues, clean junk, and even control Windows like a pro. Today I'll show you 24 run commands that will make your Windows 10 and 11 experience super productive and also save your time. So let's get started. You can open Runbox in two quick ways. Press Windows key plus R or right click on the start button and choose Run. That's it. Now let's explore the commands. Type shutdown space forward slash S and hit enter or click on OK. It will shut down your PC. Type shutdown space forward slash R. Then press enter. Now as you can see the message, Windows will shut down in less than a minute. Now Windows will automatically restart your PC. It's super quick, no menus needed. Type perfmon.msc and then hit enter. It will open Performance Monitor. Let's you see resource usage and create performance reports. Now type msinfo32. Then press enter. It will help to open system information. It shows complete details about your PC, OS version, BIOS, RAM, drivers, etc. Type OSK. Then press enter. It will open an on-screen keyboard. It's very useful if your physical keyboard is not working. Next type PSR and then hit enter. It will help to open Step Recorder. It records your actions step by step. Great for explaining problem to others. Now type devmgmt.msc. Then press enter. It will open Device Manager. It helps to manage drivers, check hardware and fix device issues. Next type firewall.cpl. Then press enter. It will help to open Windows Defender Firewall. From here, you can allow or block apps and manage rules. Type diskmgmt.msc and then hit enter. It will help to open disk management. From here, you can create, shrink, extend or delete partitions easily. Next type control and hit enter. It will open classic control panel with all old school settings. Now type ncpa.cpl and then hit enter. It will help to open network connections. From here, you can change DNS, IP or disable or enable adapters. Next type regedit. Then press enter. It will help to open registry editor. A powerful tool to tweak Windows, but be careful with changes. Now in the run box, type msconfig and then hit enter. It will open system configuration. Control startup apps, boot into safe mode and manage services. Now type resmon. Then press enter. It will help to open resource monitor. It shows CPU, memory, disk and network usage for each app in detail. Next type appwiz.cpl and then hit enter. It will opens the uninstall programs window. From here, you can manage apps or enable or disable Windows features. Type clean mgr. Then press enter. Now select your drive's name and click on OK. It will help to open disk cleanup. Here you can select files, temp data, recycle bin and clear space instantly. Next type mstsc and then hit enter. It will opens the remote desktop app, letting you connect to another computer remotely. Now type log off. Then press enter. It will immediately logs you out of your account. It's super handy if you step away in your workplace or office. Next type desk.cpl. Then press enter. It will help to open display settings where you can adjust resolutions, scaling, brightness and multi-monitor setup. Now type services.msc and then hit enter. It will opens the services window where you can start, stop or disable Windows services. Now type CALC, then press enter. It will instantly launches calculator for quick math. Next type charmap and then hit enter. It will opens character map. From here you can copy and use special characters or symbols. Type C colon or D colon, anything. Then press enter. It will help to open drives directly without opening File Explorer. It's super quick if you just want to jump into a drive. Next type task mgr and then hit enter. It will open Task Manager to check running apps, background processes or kill unresponsive ones. Now type mrt and then hit enter as always. It will launches Microsoft's malicious software removal tool. From here, you can run a quick or full scan to detect and remove malware. Now as you can see the message, no malicious software was detected. And that's it. So these are 24 run commands that can turn you into a Windows Power user. Try them out and trust me, you will never look at the small run box the same way again. So if this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.